Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting direct access to the router now. Plug an Ethernet cable or ensure a solid Wi-Fi link to avoid interruptions. Next, open a browser and enter the router IP address, commonly 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1, 1. This lands you on the admin page. Use the current admin username and password. If you only have default credentials, log in immediately and change them later. Once logged in, locate the settings or wireless section so you're ready for the password change. Once on the admin interface, navigate to the wireless, Wi-Fi, or security tab. This is where network keys live. Make sure you choose the correct SSID if your router lists multiple networks, and set encryption to WPA2 PSK or WPA3 for better protection. Avoid WEP. Then enter a new passphrase with at least 12 characters, mixing letters, numbers, and symbols. This makes brute force attacks far harder. After entering the new key, apply or save the settings so the router updates the network credentials. After saving the new password, you'll usually see an apply button. Click it and allow the router to reboot if prompted, watching for steady LEDs before proceeding. Then reconnect your devices using the updated Wi-Fi passphrase. If any device fails to join, forget the network on that device and re-enter credentials. Make sure SSID and encryption match. If you cannot log into the router at all, use a physical factory reset button as a last resort. Then reconfigure admin credentials and Wi-Fi settings immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.